Hey everybody, we made it on the Carnival Liberty. We wanted to give you a tour of the ocean view room. Now we normally stay in a balcony. We just love it because we like the breeze in our face, but they gave us a free room on this cruise.
And it has an ocean view, so we're gonna see what that's all about, okay? Free.
Let's see how it compares to the balcony room.
All right.
Let's check it out.
Woo, let's rock. Let's check this room out. What?
All right, now the first vibe I got when I walked into this room is 80s office golden light when you walk in. That's the vibe. Now, don't let that ruin your experience in the room because I cannot believe how roomy this room is. I thought it was going to be a little dungeon because we are on the first floor. We've never stayed on the first floor. It's our first time. But let's take a look. We have a couch over here, so it does fold out to a bed, which is perfect if you're with 4 people. I guess you could pull it off in this room. It's quite roomy. It's almost like the size of a balcony room, but just
yeah, you can have some coffee, some breakfast, some snack area right here.
We have some Pepsi we ordered on the line beforehand. We got water. The whiskey hasn't shown up yet, but I'm sure it's going to be here soon.
Yes.
We've got some hooks up here for your trunks, your bikinis, and your towels. Perfecto. The TV is kind of small, probably 14-inch, but whatever. Who watches TV on a cruise? There is a safe, which is definitely 70s style, but it's going to keep our stuff secure, right?
Yes.
There is a fridge. I wouldn't call it a fridge. It's more like a cooler down here that you can keep your stuff cold if you have your Pepsi or your beers or whatever. So it's quite roomy, actually, and there's a couple shelves and should do us just fine. There is a little drawer
and
for the vanity.
Look at this. It's the Queen's area right
This
here.
is the Queen's area here, and the King's area is right here.
So we've got a drawer that has a blow dryer.
Yeah.
No need to pack one.
I gotta blow dry my pompadour later. That'll be perfect.
So we've got some storage space. Check this out. Yes, we put our backpacks in. Plenty of space with a nice wardrobe mirror. Check that out. Ow!
And then there's 2 full closets where you can fit your dresses, your suits. We have our life jackets down there. Definitely doing belly flops off the side of the ship.
Nice. And then even more storage. So you can put your whole luggage. Have plenty of room. Plenty of room.
Yeah, not bad.
Check out this bathroom.
Let's check out the bathroom. The bathroom is quite roomy for a cruise. They angle it so the toilet is kind of on an angle, so it feels really roomy. There's the shower. It has the detachable head, which we all appreciate. Shower gel and shampoo up there. And then we have shelving here in the mirror, and they put the little shelves so you can store your stuff and not worry about spilling anything. So it's kind of cool. Also, we have, which I was worried about, not having a balcony, we have the ocean view. Now look how huge this window is. You can see the perspective.
My goodness, look at that.
It's a huge window with a big ledge. You can take a nap right there.
Do the Vanna White.
So you don't get the air in your face like you do on a balcony, but for us getting a free room on the cruise, I'm stoked.
You could sit up here, read a book, have a view of the water.
Exactly.
It's very relaxing.
And then there's an adjoining door there. If you're traveling with a family, you can get the adjoining room.
Yeah.
But all in all, I would say for a free room on the ship, I'm stoked.
Thank you for joining us on the Ocean View Tour on the Carnival Liberty.
Yes, and make sure to check out the videos below. We have the embarkation video. We're going to do a few more videos on this trip. We're going to review the restaurants. We're going to review the entertainment. And you know how we do it. We always do the top 5 on any trip we take. So if you love cruise videos, all-inclusive resorts, make sure to follow our channel. We're going to travel around the world and share it with you.
Let's rock.
Let's do this. See you next time.
Woo!